Hello, first grade, Mr. Mush here. So this week we read a story called The Biggest Pumpkin Ever. So we're going to make the biggest pumpkin ever in our drawing. All right, and we're going to use the warm and cool colors to make our drawing. We're going to use the warm colors on our pumpkin and the cool colors in the background, okay? So let's get to it, all right? So how do we draw the world's biggest pumpkin? So we're going to start like this. We're going to draw like oval shapes. We're going to draw an oval shape right here in the center. Okay? Just like that. And then we're going to draw another curved line like this, going like that. Another curved line. And then another curved line going up. And another curved line going up. And I think we'll do one more on this side. Like that, and they should all just about be touching, okay? See how what I'm doing is called feathering, okay? Because I'm trying to get the curve right. But I'm going to go over my curve so that make sure that you can see them, okay? So you're going to do the same thing. All you're doing is drawing curved lines all together, okay? So there's my pumpkin. I'm going to draw the stem, which is just kind of like a rectangle like that. Okay, I'm going to draw a line around my pumpkin like that. All right, and now we got our pumpkin. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a black ground and go over our lines. Just like this. Okay. Okay, everything should be outlined in black. Okay. Really looks good. It looks just like a pumpkin. There you go. So now what we're going to do to make our pumpkin warm, cool, or just warm colors, excuse me, the background is going to be cool colors. We need to use our three warm colors, red, yellow, and orange. So at the top, we're going to shade in yellow. And this also gives the art element of form. So not only are we learning about color, we're learning a little bit about form and value. Two art elements, okay? Because our pumpkin kind of looks a little 3D, right? Okay, so I'm going to do the top part yellow. Then I'm going to do the middle part orange. And you can blend it in a little bit with the yellow like I'm doing. See right here where it's blending together? That's what you want to do. And it gives it form. Okay, so I'm blending it together. Just like that, okay? If you feel like you need a little bit more, I feel like I just need a little bit more. And make sure you get it on there. And then for the bottom, we're gonna do red because we want it to feel like a shadow. But we're using our warm colors for our pumpkin, but it's gonna look fantastic when it's all done. Okay, and notice how I'm coloring in each section. I'm respecting the lines, okay, the black lines. Okay, I'm not just coloring all over the place. Make sure you take your time, color it section by section. Okay. Doing a little blending right there. And sometimes it helps if you have a white crown, you can use the white to help blend. Okay? But look at that. Look at our pumpkin. It looks fantastic. I'm going to use a little bit of brown for my stem up here. If you want to add a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit of red in the brown. Just to give it a little shadow like that. Okay? looks fantastic, okay? See how the blending, it gives it a value from light to dark, and then it helps give form to make it look like our pumpkin is 3D, okay? Now we're going to use the cool colors for the background. So I'm going to use green to shade in the grass. And then I'm going to really do green around my pumpkin here to show that there's a shadow. See that? Okay, and then for the sky, I'm going to use a blend of blue and purple. Like I always recommend, use a crayon without a wrapper, color on its side to blend in and color large spaces like this. Okay, and now I got the blue, and then I'm going to use the purple to blend in the sky, and it's going to look fantastic. Okay, and there's my pumpkin. All right, so that's what we're going to do this week. I hope you enjoy this project. I can't wait to see them. Remember, you're using yellow, orange, and red for your pumpkin, blue and purple and green for your background. So your whole paper should be colored in. I shouldn't see a lot of white. Okay, so keep up the great work, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Okay, so until next time, take care.